In this video, I'm going to do the technical analysis of S&P 500 index for the week commencing from 21st of June 2021. This is the weekly chart and these are the weekly candles. This last candle, it is heavily bearish and it is engulfing the previous candles, these three previous candles. It is clearly engulfing or fully engulfing the previous three candles, which means that there might be a bear movement in the market. However, we cannot confirm the bear movement as of now by just by seeing the candle, because what can happen is that the next candle may be a dodgy candle, or it may be any other candle which may or may not show the clear direction of the market. So we need to wait and we need to see like what is happening to the other candle, and for this S&P we also need to see what is happening in the Dow Jones. So in the Dow Jones, as I have mentioned, that in the Dow Jones, this candle, the candle that will be formed for the week of 21st of June, this candle will decide the future of the market, the near future of the market. So if on the Dow Jones chart, if the candle closes above the moving average, then there will be chances that there will be a bull movement, this bull movement in the market. And if that candle on the closes below the moving average on the Dow Jones chart, then for sure the market will come down and the Dow Jones will come down and the S&P 500 index will come down. So by seeing the candle, it is very clear that there is a bear movement, that there is an immediate bear movement in the market. So on Monday or Tuesday, you may see that the market may be falling. And then in the mid of the week, the market may try to retrace and then it may come down. But in this case, the support and resistances, okay, they will be like we have the immediate resistance, which is at 4,300. This is the immediate resistance. Then we have the immediate support, which is at 4,100. So, and then we have another support here. This is a good support, 3,950, you can say. So whatever is going to happen in the market, it will happen between these three: 4,300, 4,100, and 3,950 only. Now let's talk about the technical indicators. Technical indicators, we have the moving averages. And if we see the moving averages, there is a clear fan out, a very clear fan out. This fan out is a bull fan out or a bullish fan out. However, in this case, because this candle has engulfed the last three candles, so the market may be coming down. And if the market comes down, then the market is expected to find support here. Okay, and this is at 4,100. So, and also the moving average will touch this 4,100 for this week. So there will be this very heavy support here at 4,100. So it is expected that the market will come down to 4,100, and then only it may try to retrace. And if not, then it will come down and it will hit Alma, which is at 3914. So it will be reaching to 3950 in this coming week, in the coming week. And if we talk about some other indicators, then on this weekly chart we have the stock RSI. Stock RSI is bearish, but it is not absolutely bearish, because it is still, because look, the K and the D channel both are above 50. So until these K and D channel are below 50, we cannot say that there is an absolute bearish or absolute bear momentum in the market. So what we need to do is that we need to wait and watch like what happens in this week, and if there will be a fall in the market, then for sure we'll see that there is an absolute bear momentum in the market. But currently the stock RSI is supporting the bear trend in the market. MACD is also supporting the bear trend. Momentum, no, we do not have any momentum. There is no momentum in the market, neither for the bulls nor for the bears. Now let's move on to the daily chart. This is the daily chart, and you can see that on the daily chart, okay, this is this candle that was formed on 18th of June 2021. It is heavily bearish. This heavily bearish candle, it was formed because it was an expiry day. It was the expiry day. It was the options expiry day. So on the expiry day, means not on this means not just on the on this 18th of June, but on any expiry day, which is only the third Friday of the month, you will see that there is a fall in the market, because on that expiry day everyone will try to close the positions by selling. And other than that, this candle that was formed on 16th of June, there was this very heavy fall in the market. This fall was because the Feds, they have released the minutes of the meeting and their outlook on the economy, and they mentioned that yes, that there will be some rate change in the market. Okay, so and there were some other and there were some other minutes of meeting. So here the update from the Feds was the only reason why the market fell on this particular day, on 16th of June 2021, both in S&P 500 index and in Dow Jones, and also in Nasdaq. And then the same was reflected on 18th. Okay, and on 18th means there was this trend, a downward trend, and then on 18th it was the expiry day. So we have seen, this very heavy candle on 18th of June 2021. Now what is going to happen, or what is expected to happen in this week, in the coming week, that you will see that the candle will try to hit the WMA, which is at 4141. So it will try to hit the WMA, and also it will be hitting the boundary of the Ichimoku, and then it may try to bounce back from here. But any bounce back means any opportunity when the market moves up, so that opportunity will be considered as means it will be considered as an opportunity to short. Okay, so that opportunity will be to short. Then the support and resistances will remain same. And if we talk about these technical indicators, then we have the moving averages. Moving averages, there is still no crossover. There is no crossover on any of these moving averages. But yes, this can be seen, that means a crossover can be seen within 2 to 3 days in S&P 500 index, if the market remains below, if the market comes into consolidation and then into correction. And but currently this kind of pattern is supporting the bull trend. Whenever there is a fan out, it supports the bull movement, or the bull trend. And if we talk about some other indicators, then we have stock RSI on the daily chart. On the daily chart, stock RSI is absolute bearish. It is clearly supporting the bear trend. Clearly, bear trend means the market will come down. Stock RSI is supporting the bear trend. MACD is again supporting the bear trend. Very clearly, it is supporting the bear trend. Momentum, yes, there is a momentum. There is a good momentum in the market, and this momentum is in favor of the bears. So all of the technical indicators, if you see in a nutshell, all of the technical indicators here, they are supporting a bear movement in the market. So a bear movement is expected in the market in this week. Should you wish to participate in my stock market programs, then I have given the links of these programs in the description of this video. Okay guys, so this was my technical analysis for S&P 500 index for the week commencing from 21st of June 2021.